Yep.
Tiger Hood.
Where'd it go?
In the water.
Hmm.
Want to do it again? Watch.
Hi.
Oh, Lily. No fight.
You getting all this? Yeah? I'll show you. See that grip? See the grip? Just like that? Just like that? See if I can get it
No.
without striking out. Tiger Hood up in this piece. I'm knocking up in the air. Way over there.
Really?
Just
Way
hit it.
I'm probably not going to be able to hit it this time.
I know. Swing.
Oh.
Missed it again. I wonder who that could be. Hello? Yes. How? Thumbtacks. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
jeez. We're the dogs. They're more fun.
Either that or you
Puppies.
Why? Did you think that I did it some special kind of way?
Probably.
Oh no, just some.
Come here, baby.
Oh, he's gone poop.
That's Lily over there.
Oh.
Lily, are you going to the bathroom? Ow. Lily, come here. Look, she's over there going to the bathroom. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Floppy what?
You gonna record this?
Floppy what? Are you going to hit it this time?
Yeah. I was just practicing.
Right.
In my swing. Get that on film?
Yes, I did. It is right there.
Where?
Or is that another one?
That's another one.
It hit the stump, and then I don't know where it went. It went over there somewhere. I thought it was gonna come back and hit me.
Me too. Where'd it go?
It's over there somewhere. Push rewind. It hit the stump and it went that way.
Well.
What do you mean, well? You almost killed me.